Hi guys, Brad here from mantime.tv. How are you? Look, today I want to share with you my workout, my 3 kg hand weight workout. But the difference today is I want to share it with you in the bush, in the forest. And this is something I've just recently discovered, and I want to encourage you to do the same. So watching this workout, watching this video, you're going to get motivated and hopefully equipped to get out there, find a bush walk or a park or a forest somewhere near you where you can do the same workout. It's great for your fitness, your health, but also your peace of mind as well. So here we go. Start with a light jog or brisk walk. Go for about 5 or 10 minutes. Hold the weights firmly and keep a strong upright posture as you move your body. This first phase is about warming up the muscles, getting blood flow through the body and getting you mentally prepared for exercise. After that initial warm-up phase, you want to begin your first strength-based exercise. Here's a shoulder-chest combo exercise that builds strength, functionality and fitness in the upper body. To get the best results, you need to be on the move right throughout this whole workout. The uneven and hilly track, along with running with the hand weights, increases the intensity, meaning increased fitness and better results. This is an oblique twist using alternating arms. Great exercise for the midsection of your body. The classic bicep curls, but done with purpose. I find the best results is when I tense my whole upper body and move through the exercise with controlled pace and power while keeping good control. Aim for 15 reps on each arm, that's a total of 30. Make sure you take in the scenery, the sounds, and enjoy the natural clean air. This workout is designed to improve your mental health as well, purely because you're in nature. Now here's an intense boxing exercise you guys are going to love. Working out both your arms, shoulders and chest. Keep your body tense, use speed and power through each rep. 40 reps and watch the change in position with holding the weights midway through. Boom! Here's another exercise I've designed, the overhead wood chop. You'll double up on the weight, so that's 6 kgs instead of 3, and you move the weights like you're swinging an axe over your head and back. The stirring pot. This will really work the core muscles into overtime. Well guys, I hope some of those exercises and just the run and just how to do it just gives you some insight and equips you to do your own workout. So now it's over to you. Get organised, get your backpack, a banana or something for after your workout, a water bottle, a hoodie for afterwards. Get sort of a bum bag or something like that where you can put your headphones in for music if you want, and work out with your backpack on and go for that run, go for that bushwalk, and get other mates involved as well. Make it a regular thing. But it's nothing better than making a plan and getting out of the house and going somewhere special than just the city gym to work out. So share this video if you like it, like my Facebook page for more videos, and stay tuned. Okay, take care.